over this past week, I learned how fun it is to PvP as a fire mage.
As
Just greater pyro,
greater
all the time.
pyroblast.
Oh my god! Like my favorite is when like I can like blink and viz, and they're like you can tell they're looking for me. They
And then
can't
you just
see me,
greater
and it's
pyro
just
them in
like
the face. Did you guys get married?
Yep.
yeah.
Nice.
Quiet ceremony. Nobody paid attention. It was nice. Please no wipes on the first boss.
Why did you say something?
2, 1.
Dang it, Bobby.
Borderlands 3. Oh, it's me! It's me! Sorry.
I mean,
I was like moving around and I was like, that's weird. I guess the person's walking right next to me. Oh, wait, that's me.
Say, how many poisons are your friend?
alcohol.
I mean,
yeah.
alcohol is technically a poison.
I was like, we're talking about Natty here, though.
I don't drink. I mean, I don't have
You
a
know,
problem
she
with
does
it
that a lot, but let me tell you guys. At home,
all the time.
Just
So much tea.
Drunk
so much
24/7.
tea.
Just disgusting amounts of tea. Just degenerate amounts of tea.
2, 1.
I bumped a jellyfish and died. Y'all have fun.
No!
It's alright, he's just a DPS now.
Thank you for the bubble.
Yeah.
I feel way safer.
I mean, it kind of doubled
No,
your health.
No, I'm not joking.
I'm glad I swam back for 55 gold.
Yeah, I got
mean-
60 gold.
Hey!
Oh, there's a pet. It's going.
No!
I have no idea how that happened.
Why?
It was going.
I don't know.
yeah. Whose ability gives him a flaming thumbs up?
What?
I didn't see that.
I would love that. That'd be great.
No, I am immediately remating to whatever
Of course.
class an Adorb is flaming.
You should take the
Are
cord with you.
you-
Just like,
Closer to a hospital in case you chop off a finger.
Damn!
Am. Yes. Let the record show I did not do this.
Bullshit.
Little snack break.
I'm eating, but I only need... My rotation's pretty easy on trash.
I think it doesn't bother me because it
Thanks,
reminds
Hope.
me of like...
You gonna?
Just did it. He's just like, whatever, I'm busy. It's snack time,
Too
guys.
busy eating chips.
It reminds me of my dog
It
eating
wasn't me!
treats.
Was it me?
Yes, it was.
Yes. You could tell by the fact that there was no melee DPS in the circle except you.
It's like, why is that guy not moving? What an asshole.
If you're ever like, who's that asshole? It's either you, or Grove, or maybe Zach.
What?
2, 1.
Sorry about that, Oliver.
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, in all fairness, I was like, there's somebody there, but that's far enough.
Oh boy.
Okay.
I got hit by a tornado, which was my fault. And I shadow stepped into a different tornado,
Oh
and then
no.
got bounced into a different tornado, got arcane bomb in the air, got bounced into a different tornado, with the arcane bomb in the air, and then got bounced back into it.
Keep walking away, bud.
Which one is the wrong one? I don't...
2.
Alright, and now, from now on, we're not worrying about the corals, right?
We're not gonna break them in the next phase.
Yeah, yeah. But we can, generally, you can worry about them if you'd like.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Real clean.
What a good bear.
Yeah, thank you
Good
for not murdering it. I don't like that you have this power over us.
It's important to build trust up so that you can regulate her.
I mean, there was a reason I stayed around to watch you. Did that thing.
Just making babies.
Just
Just
making babies.
fucking all day.
Yeah, you get fucking all day. Your AP,
No.
What?
your AP story of the day. Authorities say a man and woman who were stopped for drunken bicycling in a Florida beach town had sex in deputies' patrol car before one of them tried to flee while naked.
2, 1.
Do we lost?
No, Dan. Okay.
No.
God damn it.
If you're the last person down.
Oh.
Well,
Wow.
okay.
That was the wrong button. I'm sorry.
He
I don't-
built up our trust. God damn it. What?
What?
It's an
Alright.
topic. I wasn't, like, I started to scroll through Twitter, I was like, yeah, I can't find it. If I have a chance, Andrew Ryder from Game Informer
that's-
retweeted it
That's
just
a headline
good.
I hope to never see again.
Yep.
Ugh.
What is it? Where is it?
It's in
Off
topic.
Oh no. Oh, that's
Also, that's the first 3 words of my guar
Harrowing.
cover.
Oh no. Harrowing is the only word. Ugh.
Why did you post that?
On that note, let's fight this tentacle monster.
Yeah.
Nice.
No.
As mind-numbing as raid tanking is, they really give you too many opportunities to accidentally kill the raid. Oh.
Yep.
Well, they died in a different order than I thought.
What happened was whoever aggroed the boss,
Zach.
Zach.
I ended up throwing a holy shock on him because I'm an idiot, and got healing aggro, and then he came over and destroyed my entire
All I
life.
did was pop a pre-pot.
4, 3, 2. Please note how you are visible right now.
He also has feet. They're firmly placed within the
Yes,
What is that noise?
The fuck am I hearing?
As a child, I imagine.
Child.
Yeah.
You know, give her a couple years. She'll be
you-
main
you-
tanking.
something children could do this.
Knuckle pulse going out. Dang.
Or just losses it.
Oh.
I
Alan,
wasn't
I'm
paying
looking at
attention.
healing, and neither tank was healed by you before they died.
Listen,
I was
Put
at
that
table
out
when
there.
Brock Sugar died.
I was trying to trade my cape to the other healer.
And Red Child just bumped her head, so we gotta go take care of her.
Oh.
no.
Yeah, so she's like, what, 2 years away from being able to raid tank?
Yeah, the biggest problem is if she's in here, that means she potentially needs to be in voice chat, and then she has to hear you.
Oh god.
I mean, to be fair, we actually keep the profanity down fairly well.
Oh yes.
Fucking
That-
What?
No, hang on. Profanity aside, let's talk about the things we've talked about today.
You get fucking all day.
Let's point to off topic.
Nobody mentioned the massive
and I
semen
quote,
expansion.
Yeah, we all referenced it obliquely.
Okay.
Wow.
Your mother is not important. Countdown going. 2, 1.
Wait,
All
your
the
mom
social
plays
media.
WoW?
Yes.
She should be in the hilarious.
No.
massive semen explosion.
Again, yeah. Point to that.
She's an older lady, she'll deal with it.
She's seen her fair share.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Okay, that
2, 1.
kill him.
Nice.
Nice job, guys.
Good one. Somehow I took enough damage in that fight to take over one of my weapons to broken. So I had to quick swap to a different weapon in the middle of the fight. Sneaky. Tentacle.
I'm not a fan.
2, 1.
Saw that.
2, 1. Taking people
I
out.
think
2,
Oblique is wonderful. 10%.
2, 1. 1, 2, 1. The ready check came from within the house.
kill boss, kill boss.
We got this.
Nice.
Nice job, guys.
One shot!
Yeah, one shot.
So, yeah, next week we will hold the lockout. We'll get some assured, and then yeah, we'll go from there.